Hi, welcome at Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about the count function in Excel, which is very important for Excel data analysis. And by count you can find out the how many number are available in your total data. So let's start. First of all, equal write count and cover full, close bracket, enter. You see that here show only 11 number are available, and count only cover the numeric number without any text or blank. And you can verify again. Here is 10 and here is 1, total are 11. Okay, next Counta cover the numeric number and text number without blank. Okay, let's see. Equal Counta cover and close bracket, enter. Here you see that total number 12 with text. Here numeric number 10 and text 1 and another numeric number, total are 12 you see here. Okay, next Countblank only cover blank space or blank row in your data. Okay, equal Countblank and cover this range area and close bracket, enter. You see that only one blank in this data, and which Countblank cover. Okay, let's start. We calculate Countif. Here the area, how many area are covered or how much here, and now we calculate by Countif. Equal Countif cover range comma and criteria, close bracket, enter. You see that here is only 3 Arunachal Pradesh, and you see here Arunachal Pradesh. The total Arunachal Pradesh are 3. And now we discuss about the Countifs. Countifs are multiple criteria, and Countif only single criteria. Here is multiple criteria, and we calculate how many times area are covered in this full data. Okay, let's start Countifs. First of all, criteria range cover comma and criteria, close bracket, enter. And you see that Arunachal Pradesh are 3 area in this cover, and now we see the others area are how many times are covered. Okay, and Assam 2 times, you can prove this. Assam and Assam 2 times, and Nagaland 1 times. You can prove here Nagaland 1 times, and Manipur 2 times. You can prove here Manipur and Manipur 2 times, and Meghalaya 2 times, Meghalaya and Meghalaya. Okay, you see here, and Tripura 2 times, Tripura, Tripura and Tripura. Okay, and Mizoram 1 time, Mizoram, you can see here, Mizoram, Mizoram 1 time. That means count if play only single criteria. On the other hand, count ifs play multiple criteria. Okay, hope that you understand very well, and please don't forget to subscribe Hawk Academy. Thank you very much.